11 from 4, how much more line do you need?
We call it practice as if your life depended on it. And this is the opportunity for us to do that.
For the last 3 weeks, the Springfield Fire Department has been using the commercial structure that Springfield Clinic has donated for training purposes.
This is the site for our future lab, which is currently located in the lower level of our east building. It's really a great opportunity to partner with our first responders. You know, we all rely on our first responders, whether it's in a commercial setting, a business, a health clinic, a hospital, or even in our homes. It's just a small thing that we could do to give back to the community, allow them an opportunity to train, and really pleased that they found it to be a very valuable experience.
The building is golden to us. We do not get buildings very often in the city of Springfield that we can train in. The whole department was excited to be able to train in this facility, so we would definitely like to thank Springfield Clinic for the donation of this building.
Always looking for opportunities to invest in our community. You know, our patients are our community, and you know, it's our job to take care of our patients, and so this is just one of the many things that we do to connect with the people that need our help.